In my last video, I talked about the important schema types that any website should use. Now let's get into the 5 higher ed specific schema types that you should be using. The first is college or university. This is specialized schema just for you that gives Google a stronger signal that you're an accredited institution. You use this site-wide and especially on your main organizational schema. The second is educational organization schema. This is a broader version of the above, not limited to colleges and universities. You can use this for departments and schools within the universities or for non-degree granting entities. You'd use this on your subunits like the School of Professional Studies or School of Continuing Ed or online school. Number 3 is educational occupational program. This is schema for a program that leads to a specific job or credentials. This is still in development, but really powerful for SEO when marketing micro-credentials or workforce-aligned certificates. You use this on your individual program or certificate pages. Next is course schema. This describes a single course offering, and it helps Google surface your program in course-related searches. So you would use this on a page for any single course, micro-credential, or certificate. The last is a discovery-focused schema that's really important for universities. It's called Article or Scholarly Article. And this is schema for written content, and it helps Google feature your blogs or faculty research in rich results, news boxes, and even in Google Scholar. I'm going to put this on blog posts, research pages, and news stories. If you want to know if your EDU site is schema strong, talk to me and we'll take a look.